And how do you say yes? Jairi. And no? Nirairi. Okay. How would you say, so are Irish glad Dolawai did you succeed in going home? How would you say did you succeed in
commandeering the chocolate?
how would you say did you succeed in doing it? Or Irish glad, so did you succeed? Ayena. So did you succeed in doing it, or Irish glad did it succeed it to do? Okay. How about did you succeed in eating it? Or are you glad it to eat? How about did you succeed in drinking it? Yeah, all. So all. Okay, and so on. So if you, did you succeed in getting the chocolate? You would use oil it to get, or Ireland and chocolate oil. So.
Well, commandeering kind of gives the hint that you may have stolen it.
Okay, for Ireland.
But it doesn't explicitly say that.
We'll just get it for now. Or Ireland, did you succeed in chocolates the chocolate oil to get? Or yeah, a good steal. Okay, the oil is good. Okay. So we're gonna read through this one more time, and then we're gonna call it a night. Okay. So let's see. I think we left off. Bob, you want to start us off this time? We'll continue on where we left off.
Where are we?
Number 1. We're gonna just read through it one more time.
Dasgil column sé a chuile agus lig sé neanas.
Tá sé salaba agus déach sé ar an glog a bhí mór in acha na lapa.
Ní na lava ag tearing ar bhan lei.
Bhí sé cinnéad eile as agus táraigh sé na 80 lepa thar an ceann.
Geall diag gamancha Dagan ag bula a chléir éisiú le casúr crua.
Isco Geall agus cricorí sé ina híla.
Ina chuile.
Bhí é Geall ag sa spica borcha.
Speaky Bjorcha.
Spici borcha isteach inne húla.
Ach sé a céan
Arish.
agus thosaigh sé a Lubernal
Luberneal.
Lubernal Chronis Homet.
Gumí Huavnach. Huavnach.
Fáric
Imachti.
Oh, imachti. Na oicha.
Na hicha.
Na icha. A rare eras ina chud.
Ina chivna. Okay, so Hanig, Imachti na hicha a rare.
Hanig. Imachita.
Okay, Imachti.
Imachti.
Yeah, Imachti, that was the southern one. Imachti. Na hicha. Rare. Erash. Ina chivna. Okay, Pam?
Kivana is memory, right?
Yeah. Chivna is memory, yeah.
Is that 3 syllables?
There's a bit of a
I thought it was just
yeah.
one.
There's a little bit of a vowel that comes in between them. Depends on how slowly you say it. Pam, number 10.
Where to slash an ihag Olena Harja, a Lucian glass and Tavener,
An Tarnia.
Tarnia, Ilarna, Catra, Inner, Glantlo, Bula, Ohela.
In er Nachlo. Okay. Trees?
Yes, I mean, thanks, Kevin.
Sorry.
Colin,
Hui Shiad. Arai.
alright,
Guji.
Koji,
Balach na Bo Finja.
Gal, Vinya.
An Club Icha Galanta.
Okay, please go ahead. Unclub, Nina,
Icha
Ika,
Galanta. Galanta.
Galanta,
Tib o Yas.
Tib, oh yes,
Den Chahar.
then Kaya.
Okay. Bob? Bob?
Dul sé go trom sin agus bhí sé chun baire le tirolín tepi nuair a thug sé an chalín faoi ceara.
I don't know why we go after him. You sound worse.
Not a contest.
Bishi and
Oh, yeah.
see like Kupla, Kalin, Ella, Egan, Ford, and Akalesh.
Mm-hmm.
Coradairo, Drugman,
Chur a ganúis Alan agus a fó díháin faoi
Churiach.
Gariach.
Mm-hmm.
Carlish, Tomalin, Jerilish, Wolfwood, Crutchley. Carlish, Tomalin, Elavisha, Inahula,
No, he, right?
Inahi, Inakal, Leagus, Alav, Fuina, Com, Ege.
Mm-hmm.
Dorne?
Dordi.
Dordi Shea Champagne, August Dolshid, Shlante Ahila.
Slancha Achela.
Ahela.
Sheila and Tanum Avi Urti.
Dirtshi, Hannon,
Turhan.
Derhan, and Tom, Colm, Gomorley.
Hanum. So, one word that I noticed was a problem here. Gomi huavna. Gomi huavna. Okay. Yeah. And you have to just remember that the H's in there really are part of the letters. So it looks like there's more letters in there than there are. But Gomi huavna. Oh, for uncomfortably or uneasily, Gomi huavna. So he turned in his bed, Gomi huavna. Okay, but I'm not going to give Galer in a little Quilaher. I guess expecting Shiv and Chapton Shohogan. So that's all we have. See you next week.